Delicious unsponsored bubble tea. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Hey guys, okay, we're back. We got a quickie for you today. We're installing a carbon fiber lip on the GTI, and let's get into it. All right. So today, guys, we have the eBay front lip that so we kind of got scammed, but we kind of didn't. So it was $90 for like a hard plastic lip. But the thing is, on the listing it said like real carbon fiber lip, wet carbon fiber look or something like that. And pretty much for like scenarios like this, you got to use your common sense. Like I half expected this. At the end of the day, it's just cheap plastic. So just you get what you pay for. I wouldn't really call it a scam because it was $90, but that's just my heads up to you. That's the moral of the story, is if it's too good to be true, it's too good to be true. All right. So to save money on shipping, they send these things in like it's broken up into 3 pieces so they can send it in a smaller box. So then like the first thing you got to do is you have like these self-tapping screws. And you blitz them in. Oh. And you don't want to send it too hard because like this is plastic, and you're just gonna pull your threads out that you just tapped. So be reasonable, be nice. Also, on the same note, I ordered like a carbon fiber look wing from China as well. But that shit is just bouncing around Beijing whenever I check the tracking info, so that's another thing to expect when you buy cheap shit, is you're not going to be getting it right away. But
just shot your whole
who's
hand.
in a rush? I'm not. It's nice. It's very nice. Does it fit? How's it on your side, buddy?
It looks okay.
Yeah, I think it's fine. It's $80. We'll make it work. Don't worry about that. So much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had.
Hold up. Pose. Yeah. Pose. Pose.
Hey, man, dude. Hello. Nah, bro, how's it going here? That's his last name, right? I don't know.
I taste codeine when I burp.
Yep. Oh, it's fucking cold. Dude, the cement is like sucking the heat out of my body. Nice. Nice and solid. In Australia, we don't put lips on our cars. Too many dingoes.
What?
Dingo stole my baby. I'm a shooter from Glasgow. God is dead. We killed him. What shall we use to wash our hands of his blood? I don't know. What else?
Talk about the lip, man.
All right, so in summary, $80. They lied, kind of scammed and said it was real carbon fiber, but it's not. But you get what you pay for. You should expect it. For that price, though, not bad. And just when you're buying stuff on eBay, just if it's too good to be true, it's too good to be true.
Water, 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 water.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. if you stayed all the way to the end, here's a little surprise treat for you. This is my RX-8, if you remember it. You're cool, you know, you're an OG. So we got a K24 there from a TSX, and it's going in there. Hopefully you'll see it. Thanks for staying to the end.